Today, I will show you how to fix clipped audio in Adobe Audition. Start by making sure you have your audio clip added into Adobe Audition. To get started, go to the top menu bar and click on Window. From the list, make sure the Diagnostics panel is checked. Once selected, it will appear on the left side of your screen. In the Diagnostics panel, open the Effect drop-down menu and select Declipper. This tool automatically scans your audio file for any clipped sections and helps restore them to a cleaner level. Now, in the Preset drop-down, you will see three options: Restore Heavily Clipped, Restore Lightly Clipped, and Restore Normal. Choose the one that best matches the severity of the distortion in your audio. Once you've made your selection, click on the Scan button. Audition will begin analyzing your audio for clipping. This process may take some time depending on how long your audio file is. When the scan is complete, you'll see a list of all the clipped areas detected in your file. To fix them, simply click on the Repair All button. Audition will automatically restore those sections and smooth out the sound. And that's how you fix clipped audio in Adobe Audition.